Marhaba, this is Abdul Samie. I think I am your Arabic buddy. Do subscribe to learn Arabic with me. Arabic has both vowels and consonants, but the vowels in Arabic aren't actual letters. Rather, Arabic vowels are symbols that you place on top or below consonants to create certain sounds. As for consonants, Arabic has 28 different consonants, and each one is represented by a letter. In order to vocalize these letters, you place a vowel above or below that particular consonant. For example, when you put a fatHa, a vowel representing the sound, above the consonant representing the letter B, you get the sound ba. When you take the same consonant and use a kasra, which represents the E sound, you get the sound B. Seems you are confused, are you? Look, Arabic has 3 main vowels. Luckily, they are very simple to pronounce because they are similar to English vowels. However, it's important to realize that Arabic also has vowel derivatives that are as important as the main vowels. These vowel derivatives fall into 3 categories: double vowels, long vowels, and diphthongs. You do not need to worry. In this video, I walk you through all the different short vowels, which are the main. The 3 main Arabic vowels are: the first main vowel in Arabic is called fatHa. A fatHa is equivalent of the short A in hat or cat. Occasionally, a fatHa also represents like the short E in bed or set. Much like the other vowels, the way you pronounce a fatHa depends on what consonant come before or after it. In Arabic script, the fatHa is written as small horizontal line above a consonant. In English transcription, it is simply represented by the letter A, as in the words kalb or walad. The second main Arabic vowel is Damma. A Damma sounds like the U in food or book. In Arabic script, it's written like a tiny backward E above a particular consonant. In English transcription, it's represented by the letter U, as in funduk or suhud. The third main vowel in Arabic is the kasra, which sounds exactly like the long E in feet or treat. The kasra is written the same way as fatHa, as a small horizontal line, except that it goes underneath the consonant. In English transcription is written as I, for example, bint or Islam. So that was the 3 main Arabic vowels, which are fatHa, Damma, and kasra. I certainly recommend, if you have any doubt, please do comment or else re-watch the video. Until then, see you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.